Hello students, how are you? Today I am going to discuss balance of payment. What is balance of payment? I am going to discuss. This is day one video. Now I am going to discuss what is balance of payment. Okay, you know very well what is payments. Payments means what? Suppose you have purchased anything, then you will have to give payments to him. This is payments. Okay, and if you are selling anything, then you will get some money, receipt. So this is the balance of payment. The balance of payments is very most important chapters. Okay, try to understand the topic of it. The balance of payment. We know very well what is the balance of payment. Okay. Balance of payment means what? What is the purpose? What is the purpose of balance of payment? The purpose of balance of payment is keeping account of international transaction is to provide information. Try to understand. The main purpose of keeping account of international transaction is to provide information to the government and other relevant agencies about the international position of trade and capital flow of the country. Okay, this is the purpose. So balance of payment, what is the definition of balance of payment? The balance of payment of a country is systematic record. What is systematic record of all economic transactions between the residents of one country and residents of foreign countries. Clear? During a given period of time. Why? Because we know very well. India, and if he is trading with America, okay, then here is rupees and here dollar. Okay, all are different. The value of money is also different. It is not possible. It is very difficult to keep the balance of payment. Okay, because money power is different of India and America. Okay, so the balance of payment of a country is a systematic record of all economic transactions between the residents of one country and resident of foreign country during a given period of time. So it is what? It is the balance of payment of a country is systematic record. The balance of payment keeps systematic records. Clear? So it is why all the countries of the world trade with each other in order to increase the standard of living. Okay, we know very well India's standard of living is different. America's standard of living is totally different. The balance of payment is keeps records. Okay, it means what? Suppose there is a rich man, then his standard of living is different. Rich people. And if poor people, then his standard of living is totally different. Clear? So these are the similarities between the standard and rich and poor. The balance of payment accounts of India's measures the economic international of India's with other countries. Clear? So in this video I have discussed what is balance of payment. In next video I will discuss next topic. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe of this channel, and don't forget to like it. Thanks for watching.